And shifting focus to news from Japan, the country has recorded a troubling new high in child suicide deaths, with government data showing that 582 children died by suicide last year. This is also the highest number ever recorded and the second consecutive year that the figure has reached a historic high. The rise comes despite an overall decline in suicides nationwide, as the country's total suicide toll fell to its lowest level in more than 4 decades. The Minister for Children's Policy, Hitoshi Kikawada, said that the situation represents a serious challenge that society as a whole must confront. Experts are now calling the figures particularly alarming, citing pressures such as school-related stress, bullying and shortcomings in mental health support as major contributing factors. All in all, as many as over 19,000 people have died by suicide in the country last year, which is down from more than 20,000 the year before, that is 2024, and below that threshold for the first time in over 45 years. Among children, the ministry even reported 10 elementary school pupils, 170 junior high students and 352 senior high school students died by suicide, and girls made up the majority with as many as 277 deaths, while 255 boys lost their lives. While causes could be identified, the most common factors were problems at school, followed closely by health-related issues and family problems as well. Mental health advocates say that Japan's experience mirrors a wider global trend, with sharp rises in youth mental health problems reported in countries including US, Australia, South Korea and Hong Kong since the pandemic. Australia has in fact responded to the issue by banning social media access for children under the age of 16. France is also mulling similar measures, and with this, advocates are now cautioning that social media itself is not inherently harmful, but research has linked online activity to cyberbullying, anxiety and even depression, the pressures which are often compounded by family stress, economic uncertainty and global instability.